This is another video brought to you by the Ichiban Productions. Like, comment, subscribe.
So welcome everyone, happy days are here again. We're back with a different review this time. We're looking at a personalised iPhone case from Casetify. This is not a paid review or anything like that. This was bought with my cold hard cash. So my girlfriend, she suggested one of these over Christmas, but we looked at the delivery time and my goodness, the delivery time was like 12 weeks or something outrageous like that. So we completely forgot about it until recently, where I was all interested in getting myself a personalised phone case. But they claimed it was going to be a few weeks. It was a little bit longer than that, but not too bad. So I'm going to tell you all about Casetify, how to order it, and then we're going to check it out. Is it any good, and is it worth the money? Because this bad boy, it ain't a cheap case. This case here was a personalised iPhone 12 MagSafe case. Now, there's different styles and different things, and you have to pay a little bit more for MagSafe and, of course, the personalisation. But overall, it should have been about 48 quid. There's a discount code, so just Google it online. You'll definitely find a discount code for Casetify. They're always on there. I got about 15% off, which made this bad boy £40. It took, well, I ordered it. 5 days later, it was dispatched. And then it arrived, I think, 10 days later. So just over 2 weeks. That's not bad, but this bad boy is definitely not coming from the UK, so please don't expect that fast delivery. So let's crack it open. Let's actually have a look. I'm super excited to see, is it actually worth the money? So I haven't actually opened this yet, so you're going to see it first time as I do. So let's flip it open and have a look. So there's a pull tab somewhere along here. It's kind of not... There it is. So we ready? Let's open it up. Casetify. That didn't work in one. Hello, this box is made from plants, not plastic. Recycle me after opening. Yes, I will, because it's made of beautiful cardboard. Hopefully the box will not continue to mug me off as I try and open the rest of this. It's, am I meant to rip this, or what's the deal? Yeah, clearly you're meant to rip it open and just hope for the best. So here we go. Thank you for choosing us. I ain't going to read the rest of it because reading's for prisoners, but you can pause it if you want to read it. I'm quite interested to see what some of this stuff is. So let's have a look inside a little envelope. Protect your tech. What we got in here? Oh, nice. Cleaning wipes. No way. That's a real nice little touch. I suppose it does make it feel a little bit more premium. Cleaning wipes for external use only. That's, you know what, Casetify? I'm really pleased with that. Thank you very much. Let's check out what else we've got in here. So we got ourselves... Ooh, so the case is inside an envelope. So it's a box and an envelope inside. Let's try and get this out of the way so you don't need to see it. So, ooh. I'm a little cautious here in case it gives all the personal information away. But here we go. Let's lift it out. Ooh. And there we go. We got the case from the inside. But what about the outside? Doo-doo! Ichiban noise is exactly as I wanted. Ooh. So let's have a proper look at this and tell you what I think. So I'm pleased to see he's got the MagSafe thing on the inside. That says to me it's probably going to be MagSafe. We got ourselves our red, the red interior, and what have we? Oh, Butterfingers. What have we got here? It's made from 90% recycled material. I'm glad that's the case, but I'm not overly enamored that that's printed on the case. Printing itself, it's a little bit more orange than I was hoping for. It might just be the lighting in here. It's definitely sort of, I don't know if it's sort of printed on or it's definitely not engraved on. It's kind of like, oh, can you see? It's sort of stuck on there. But yeah, looks pretty good. Rubberized around the edges. It's meant to be drop proof up to a certain height. It's not the max one. I think it's only 6 foot, but I think you can pay more for a mega deluxe one or go for 12 foot. But it much more thickens the case. Thickens? Is that a good choice of words? So let's pause it here. Let's stick it on my phone and look. Is it actually what I was hoping for? Boom, cheeky cut. Here it is with the phone in there. So what can I say? I don't know. I think the case makes it feel a little bit heavier than what I'm used to. I mean, let's show you what was on previously. It was the clear official Apple one. So they've definitely got a different feel to it. This one is super smooth, slip and slides everywhere. I probably wouldn't recommend this one because you're probably going to drop your phone because of how smooth it is. But what I will say also is I bet this offers no drop protection whatsoever, whereas this one claims that it's going to be up to 6 feet. I ain't trying that for you now, no ways, because I don't want to buy a new phone if I break it. I do like the way it's a bit more grippier. It's obviously got that rubberized sort of feel to it. I suppose it is a nice thing that it's recycled plastic and You know, they've thought about the environmental side of things. I do wonder how much that Ichiband's going to scratch over time. However, it is slightly raised at the back, so it suggests it's not going to probably rub as much as you think. The camera's risen up as well, so again, it's not going to be touching if you put it upside down. And, you know, the button's nice and clicky. In fact, a bit more clicky than the Apple one. The Apple one, I don't think had a good click with it. It was a bit like, it's rubberized plastic, sort of, it feels. But this one, you know, does have that sort of feel. Overall, one of my thoughts, well, I better put a star rating on it. Ooh, actually, before I do that, I better check, is it MagSafe and will it charge wirelessly? Let's find out. Boom, cheeky cut, here we are. I've got the Anker Powerbank. If you've seen my other reviews, you know I really like this bad boy. I'll link the, I did a review on this actually that was quite popular, so I'll post it somewhere up here. And of course, it'll be in the comment section below. But let's check, does the case allow for wireless charging? Let's find out. Let's put it on. Lit up, boom. Yes, there we go. You can wirelessly charge through this case. So test number 2, is it going to work with MagSafe? Let's find out. Another cheeky cut, here we go. We got ourselves our Apple MagSafe charger. It's not plugged in, so don't expect it to be charging or anything like that. You know, the more I handle this case, actually, the phone in the case, the more I actually like it. It is really growing on me, the feel of it. Oh, I love it so much more than the other one. But let's find out, does it work MagSafe? Ooh. Oh, yes, we do. And let's check, is that a strong grip? Ooh. Ta-da! No fooling you there. This is 100% MagSafe. I am really, really, really impressed. I guess all that's left is to put a star rating on this one. Now, I'm a little bit torn, but I'm going to go on the side of my gut, and I'm going to give this one up a 5 stars out of 5 stars. I am learning to love this the more that I hold it. The proof will be in the pudding in the long run on whether this actually stays looking as fresh as it does here today. You know, I was going to go for 4 star for 2 reasons. I was going to say this might get scratched and damaged, but I think that's probably life. And I wasn't overly enamoured with the long delivery time, but you know what? It's made me smile, and not everything makes me smile like that. So yes, I'm going to give it the 5 stars out of 5 stars. To wrap up here, get on the Casetify website. There are tons of different cases for all different types of phones, not just Apple phones, Android as well. And they have got tons and tons of different designs. Some of them are personalizable like this. You know, either takes up the sides, you can have it along the bottom, you could have it all going down here. Different fonts, different colors. There's literally loads. I would be surprised if you went on that website and you didn't find anything you like. With that in mind, do me a solid and press that subscribe button. We got 340 people who wanted to share their love, and I love each and every one of you for pressing that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, give it a cheeky thumbs up. The more thumbs up we get, the more people can see the video and make an informed choice about whether this was worth the money. In my opinion, it absolutely was. However, I will post an update if it doesn't live up to the standards. If you've got any questions or comments, post them in the comment section below. I'll reply to each and every comment. I love seeing people engage. I love the Ichiband Productions community. You are top notch and my favourite people there. I will leave it there. You know what I'm going to say. Look after yourselves. Take care of the people around you. And most importantly, stay out of trouble.